hope that you are having a great day. So I accomplished this look, and this look is gonna be a cut crease dramatic look. I tried, and this video is gonna be a collab with MakeuByKasie, but you know, you guys should check her out. I always put a slideshow. Subscribe to her channel. She's gonna do the same thing. I did the modern renaissance palette for this video because that's what we're gonna do for this collab relating on this palette. And yeah, I did this makeup. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you guys next. So I'm gonna be using my modern renaissance palette, and I'm gonna be using this color and just put it up on my eyes and just go all around it. I want to do my voice overview today because, you know, it was kind of chaotic in my video, especially if you guys see all that, you hear all the noise. So I just do the voice overview right now, and I'm going to do the same thing as my other eyes, and I'm going to use concealer for my cut crease. I'm trying cut crease. I'm still learning, but you know, oh god, it's messy, not good. Yeah, just use this one for now. I think it's more easier with the wand, so yeah. So I'm going to keep going with my concealer, and then once I'm done doing that with both of my eyes, I use this brush and then just go over it like a line so that I can also put like an eyeshadow on top of it. And yeah, it's so hard to like describe what I'm doing. And yeah, so it looks like this. It's a little bit okay. And I'm just going to use this like little shimmery color down below, and then just go over that with the concealer so I can have some brightness with my eyes. And yeah, it looks really cute. And then just keep going with the same eye as well. And then after that, I'm going to use this color right here. It's like a brown, like a light brown near the red, like the maroon red, and then go over that with the middle eye, like, you know, in the middle where I did my gold shadow. I call it gold shadow or shimmery shadow, but that's where I put it. And then just go over that in the middle, and then I use this color. It's like a maroon red, and then I do that at the end of my eyes, and then blend it with this brush from BH Cosmetics. I use BH Cosmetics for this video a little bit, and then I think I may have mixed it around, you'll see. And then just do the same thing as blending, because blending is a must in this video for sure. And I was going to do a Pinterest one, but it didn't turn out well. So I just did this. And then I'm just going to use this lilac purple and just put that up on my, under my eyebrows and stuff, just to make a little highlight. And then use this brush from Anastasia and just like go over it and then highlight it a little bit so I can have some nice tones, you know. You gotta have that. And then I use this color right here and then go over it again with my eyes, like more depth. And then line it up together. It looks pretty cool. And I do the same thing with the other eye as well. And then once I'm done, I use this color and I do like a line for like the cut crease, and it's really cool. I thought it was a little bit dark, but you know, I just play around with this look. And I try to do the one that I thought it looks nice, but like I said, I just did my ways. And I'm gonna use my Almay liquid eyeliner. I think this liquid eyeliner that I did on my eyes is not too bad like last time. So yeah, I did this by myself, no tape, no whatevers. And then I just go over that, and I use this gel liner, and I'll use the pencil which I got from BoxyCharm and line it on my waterline. It's pretty easy. I like this. I use it with the gel liner so it has that big pigmentation because my eyes are very squinted. And I use this concealer from CoverGirl with my, you know, my black circles, my eye bags, I mean. And I use this crown brush from BoxyCharm, which I got, and I just dab it together with my, you know. And then I spray my face so it can have that feeling mist. And it feels great when you do that. Then you put the concealer with it, mix it nice and smooth. And then I use this Maybelline foundation. It's like a light shade. My skin tone changes in the winter, so this is kind of light in the summertime, and I'm like jamming to the music. And I just tap the foundation to my face. I'm like half awake right now, so I'm doing I do like second coats on this foundation because I have to do more on my face, and I do on my ears and my neck because you have to match it with your neck, because if you don't, it will look silly. So yeah, you see what I mean? I do that too. And I do the mineral powder from Maybelline. This one's like my favorite. I had like a little mess issue going on, you know, it's okay. And just keep going. A little dark, but it's not bad. I made it work. And then after that, I'm going to use this brush from Crown as well, from BoxyCharm. And then I'm going to use this one. I made a little mess, but I made it work. I try to mix it up all together, and it looks pretty decent. And then after, you know, mixing all around my face and everything like that, I grab this contouring one from Eye Lips Face from e.l.f. and just like line it with my nose, my head, and everything. You guys will see. So yeah. It looks kind of silly, but you know, I tried what I think it's good, and yeah. And then just keep going and going, and then I just grab this brush and just blend it together so it can have that nice feeling, like, you know, you have like a nice shape to your face, and it looks pretty cute. I forgot to put a mascara in this video, but you know, oh my god, it looks silly. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? So I use this Naked highlight from BoxyCharm as well, and I just highlight my face. It looks so pretty. I like the one, the green one, because it's more pigmented than I think. I can't speak. I like this one more than compared to all the colors because I feel like it worked the best for me. And I use this gloss from NYC, just to have like a shimmer. And then I use the Naked liquid lipstick, matte lipstick, just like a normal lipstick from Maybelline. I got this from like a drugstore as usual. And it looks like this, very pretty, very natural, and yeah. Hope you guys like this makeup look. You guys like the makeup? If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.